Welcome to ARM Technologies KSA.
Hi, in this video we talk about the overview of Fanuc Robot Teach Pendent. The Fanuc Teach Pendent is a handheld device used for programming and controlling Fanuc robots. It features several buttons, each with specific functions. Here's a general overview of the typical buttons and their functions on a Fanuc Teach Pendent. It needs to be switch off during production or auto mode. And during programming and jogging you need to turn on this emergency stop button. Stops a running program, turns off drive power to the robot servo and applies brakes to all joints. Here comes to the main screen buttons. 1. F1 to F5, function keys that change based on the current. 2. Select, accesses the program selection screen. 3. Edit, opens the program editing mode. 4. Data, displays various data, such as system variables and registers. 5. Pause, shows the current position of the robot. 6. I/O, accesses the input/output signals screen. 7. Alarm, displays active alarms and error messages. 8. Setup, accesses the system setup and configuration menus. Navigation buttons. Arrow keys, used for navigating through menus and options. Enter, confirms a selection or entry. Cancel, cancels the current action or goes back one step. Step status color turn to green means program is enabled. Jogging and motion control. Jog keys, used for manually moving the robot. These include X plus X, move the robot along the X-axis. Y plus Y, move the robot along the Y-axis. Z plus Z, move the robot along the Z-axis. W, P, R, rotate the robot around the wrist, pitch, and roll axes respectively. Shift, used in combination with other keys to perform specific functions, like enabling jogging. Coord, changes the jogging coordinate system, world, tool, user, etc. Forward, moves the program forward. BWD, moves the program backward. Start, starts the execution of a program. Stop, stops the execution of a program. Jog hard key. Press these keys button together with shift key and dead man switch to jog the robot 6 axis. Jog speed key. This button will adjust the jog speed of the robot. Wire jog keypad. Wire feeding in and out of nozzle plus or minus. Numeric keypad. Numbers 0 to 9, used for entering numeric values. Decimal point, for entering decimal values. Minus, for entering negative values. Shift, used in combination with the numeric keys for additional functions. Plus/minus, toggles between positive and negative values. Special buttons. Emergency stop, immediately stops all robot motion in an emergency situation. Dead function, provides access to additional functions and options. Man switch, safety feature that must be pressed to enable robot motion. Display and indicators LCD screen, displays menus, programming options, and robot status. Status LEDs, indicate the status of the robot, for example, power, alarm, run mode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned with ARM Technologies channel. Thanks for watching guys.